How to activate Binance account. Now first, this depends upon what do you mean by activating, because first is you will create a Binance account, you verify your email and phone number, and after that your account already exists. Now the only thing you have to remain to make transactions and so on is to verify your Binance account. Now if you have not yet verified your Binance account, then you can just go to your Binance profile. You can see in my case I'm already verified. If in your case you're not verified, you can tap on your ID, then go to this verification section. Make sure to go ahead and then enter your verification details and so on, and once done you will be able to fill in your KYC, and after that you will be able to upload your documents and then verify your account. Once your account is verified, then your account is essentially activated and ready for use to make any sort of transactions. So I hope this video pretty much helps it make you clear as to what activation means on Binance. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.